All right, I did get the fuel injector rebuild kit, so right now I am going to take out the fuel rail and then take all the injectors off and then hopefully get all the injectors rebuilt. So I'm gonna go get this one rebuilt, filter, get all the gaskets put on, put it back in the car, get it started up, and hopefully everything's running good. So this was how the fuel injector should have looked, with the orange gasket, the black rubber one, and then the tip. The tip's not the same color, but it is the same tip. This was the messed up injector that I had showed previously, that it only had metal. I put that back together. I'm about to stick it back in the car and hopefully it should work. All right, we got it put back together with the help of Josh over there. This is all put back together and looking good. I got the one injector that was messed up all good to go, as well as this was missing a bolt, so I feel like it wasn't holding this down as good as it could be. So right now we're about to give it its first start with the new fuel injector. Idle control valve I think is still unplugged, but we're really just seeing when I rev it up if it sounds like it's misfiring. So let's get it started up. It's not fully fixed yet. We are one step closer, two steps closer. 2 steps closer, potentially 1 step back.
Sounds way better.
I'm not even revving it up to keep it on. It's just, oh, there we go. Wait.
Volume.
Doesn't sound like it's misfire.
Yeah, she's getting dual now. Yeah, yo, whoa.
If I fix that idle air control valve, I think we're good. But that sounds smooth. I think we did fix the misfire problem, so now we're left with the exhaust sound, which it's just really loud. That's what the rumble is, which I don't think the rumble is the misfire. When we started it up before, I don't think I have any footage of it. It was like, like it would not stay at a consistent RPM when I was revving it up. It like was jumping on the way up. So I think, I mean, obviously, one of the biggest causes for misfire would be a bad injector. And that injector had literally no compression on it. There's obviously some little things still needed to be done with the car. But this week I'm going to order the idle air control valve as well as the exhaust. When I get those two things put in, cross our fingers, this thing should be running tip top. We just took off the entire manifold. I'm sorry I didn't show the process. We were just super deep in it. I was just trying to get it done before sun went down and everything. We got the manifold off. Obviously the injector is in. There was a ground wire missing. We went under, we checked the idle control valve. It is in there. I ran some tests on the idle control valve. It does seem to be working, but for whatever reason, when we put the car back together, it's idling much better right now. Now, granted, we're going to be thrown off by the exhaust because there's just no exhaust on it right now. It sounds like a really loud rumble. When I was starting it previously, it would start up and I basically had to sit here on the gas to keep it from faulting and dying. I went in, I checked all the hoses, I tightened everything. There was a couple of things loose. So I think maybe that could have been the problem. I don't know exactly what it was. I'm going to go ahead and start it up right now for you guys so you can hear it. It's not jumping up like it was before. It's not falling down and about to die like it was before. And this is basically cold start. I haven't had the car on in 2 hours, and even when I had the car on earlier, it was for like 2 minutes. So this is cold start, which is where it was the worst before. So we'll get it started up. Quite a bit of a rumble, but it's sitting super smooth right now. Intake on. Another thing that was wrong with it, the throttle cable was extremely loose. Now, I don't think that would make the idle bad necessarily, but I adjusted the throttle cable. That seemed to help a lot as well. But it's idling good now. Go ahead and go to the back of the car. there's no misfire. Like, it sounds smooth up, smooth down. Versus before, when I was hitting the gas, it was almost like it was skipping RPMs. Where it was do it, trying to make it up. So I think we might have fixed the issue. I'm gonna order the exhaust so that way I can really break down like the sound, and if it's sounding normal. With this deep rumble going on under the car, it's really hard for me to like for sure tell if there's a misfire. I don't think there is, because I know what the misfire felt like before, and I know what it sounded like before. I did not feel comfortable at all thinking about even driving the car. Now I'm actually at a point where if I needed to drive the car down the block, I'd actually be comfortable doing so, because it just feels like it's idling better. So next steps for the car, I need a battery so that way I don't have to jump it every time. Also, I think everybody knows too, low voltage issues always causes problems as well. So fix the battery. I'm gonna order an exhaust today so that way I can just grasp the sound and whatnot. And then in the next video, you guys will be able to see hopefully a running, driving, good M3. I already got all the body work done, which I showed you in the previous video. I am still taking it back to the body shop. After it's running and driving good, I have the battery, I have the exhaust. This thing is going for paint, and then it's gonna be good to go. I'm gonna start getting the body work done probably next week if everything goes to plan. And this thing will be running, driving within a month of having it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.